May bagong head coach ang Phoenix Fuel Masters. They will sign Charles Chu to replace Willie Wilson after only one conference. And yung Fuel Masters kasi missed the playoffs for 5 straight conference na. Kaya they really need a tactician para mapunta sa magandang direction at nakitaan natin yung team ng potential, and roster-wise is kayang-kaya naman if ma-handle ng maayos. Nakitaan ng management si Chu yung kanyang pagiging cultural shifter, kung ano yung ginawa niya sa CSB. Hindi naman importante talaga kung nabigyan niya ng championship agad eh. Ang usapan is he turned an underdog team to a title contender, which is more important for a basketball team na nasa PBA. May kilala pa ng husto, yung branding, tsaka maging relevant sila sa liga. Sa kanyang college run from 2022, 2 NCAA finals at 4 na sunod na Final Four appearances. So, kaya talaga sa mga high pressure environment. And sa totoo lang, guys, magaling talaga na tactician si Charles Chu. Tactical talaga eh, hindi yung puro motivation lang eh. Meron siyang system. For me, this is a good pick up para sa Phoenix. As in, super okay. Hindi naman need na maging finalist agad eh, kasi alam nating mahirap sa current look ng mga team sa PBA. Kumbaga, makita natin silang nakakapalag is good for the league. Make the playoffs, top 8 man lang. Tapos, kumiliti ng onte sa semifinals, ganyan sa mga first few conference niya, di ba? So, ang mangyayari sa kanyang CSB is magiging active consultant siya kasi bawal nga sa PBA yung may dalawang head coach position yung hawak mo. Marami din yung duda sa kanyang dual role, baka hindi makapag-focus sa PBA. Pero alam ng Phoenix ito bago siya pumirma. They trust his process, they trust what he did to CSB. Talent-wise with Phoenix, marami yung malakas on paper. Jason Perkins, Kai Balungay, Tyler Tio, Richie Rivero, Ken Taffen. Pero they're lacking of cohesive identity. Tapos tuwang-tuwa si Will Gosum sa Facebook sa arrival ni Charles Chu. Si Juan Gomez de Leaño is nag-joke pa na naiinis siya na dun pa siya napunta. Kasi alam niyang he can be something else with this mentor on duty, si Will Gosum. So nakakapanabik yung Commissioner's Cup nila kasi merong import din. And nag-e-excel si Charles Chu kapag merong mobile big man sa kanyang lineup. At dagdag pa natin marami siyang kilalang international stars courtesy of SGA. So, will we see Dwight Howard, diba? Speaking of SGA, is this a sign na Mikey Williams will play for him? Kaso lang yung rights is nasa Converge Fiverr Xers. Merong strong relationship yung dalawa kasi nga, nung 2025 Dubai International Tournament, napapayag agad ni Chu eh. Sobrang smooth nga lang dong negotiation kasi meron silang good relationship. Ayon sa mga reports is merong big chance talaga that Mikey Williams will play for Charles Chu. Pero ang tanong, papayag ba ang Converge? Feel ko nga, kung di nawala si Charles sa Converge, baka nakapaglaro si Mikey. Pero eto na nga, will Converge release Mikey Williams for free? Or ano yung trade na pwedeng gawin? Merong Matthew Wright yung Phoenix na pangpain. Pero kasi gusto ko ring lumakas yung Phoenix eh, na kung pwede, merong Matthew Wright at Williams yung Fuel Masters. Siguro, future picks plus role players na pwede. Kasi ganun din eh. Hindi rin naman maglalaro si Mikey Williams sa Converge. So might as well get something in return kahit medyo lugi on paper. Kasi instead of nothing. Kaya ba, ano yung magandang trade if ever? Just please don't include Matthew Wright sa mga comments nyo. May gut feel rin ako na maglalaro si Wright sa Phoenix eh. So habang ini-edit ko tong video is naglabas ng news yung Spin.ph na 6 na players ng Fuel Masters yung magiging unrestricted free agent. Si James Quecote, veteran RJ Hasul na akala ko dito magre-retire, si JJ Alejandro, Yusef Ta, Sean Manganti, and RR Garcia. And yung team kasi is now backed by Davao-based businessman Glenn Escandor. Grabe no, just imagine Mikey Williams playing alongside Matthew Wright sa Phoenix. Tapos merong Richie Rivero, Jason Perkins at Kai Balungay. Tapos meron silang off the bench na Tio at Taffen na another shooting backcourt. Just another reason to watch PBA talaga ulit. Sana hindi pigilan ng liga yung mga ganitong nagpapaganda sa kanila. So that's all for this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Aegon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye.